Hello friends, welcome to Dailyhacks channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that why your fans stop blowing the good air, good pressure of air. You don't even get the pressure whenever you turn your fan on. If I turn the fan on, you get no pressure at all of the fan, and you don't get any type of the wind from the fan, which is actually the fan method is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sort that out. So the simple trick is you have to clean your fans. If you have this type of pedestal fans at your home and want to make it good and you want to clean it, so this is how you can clean it. So the first thing first, this is the first safety net at the front of your fans and the fans blade. So you have to, if you see on the sides, there is a locking nut, locking clips. You have to undo these clips, and on the top side, this is a locking one. So I will just take that out and move a little bit at the back, and this is where we go. Your fan net, the safety net is out. So now the thing is, if you see, the dust is on at the back of the safety net and onto the fan blades as well. So you have to undo your blade first. If you see on the front side of this blade nut, and you will see that the arrow, some sort of arrow, tighten and loosen. So you have to lose a little bit to the left hand side, and I'm gonna do it. There we go, and I'm just gonna lose this one a little bit, and your nut is out of your blades. So this is how you just need to lift a little bit your fan blade, and you can see at the back of the blades, these are the clean one, but yours one could be the dirty, because I have already cleaned this fan blade. So at the back it's super clean and no need to worry about it. So you just have to clean. You can get use your wipes, or sometime with the, you can washable. These are the washable, just because this is a plastic one and you can easily wash it with your tap water. So it's completely depends on you how you're gonna wash it. And the next thing is, if you want to clean your back nut, back safety cage, you have to undo this nut as well. This is the same method. You have to just undo from the left side. If you turn to the left side, it start getting loose, and you can just lose it and open your fan safety. So this is how you can clean with the water as well. And on at the back side, if sometime you notice the dust start going into the motor as well of the fan, so that's why you can't just open that motor to clean the dust out, but you can use your hair dryer or some type of the hoover. So just to put your hoover onto these holes and just try to soak it, and the dust will be out of your fan, and your fan will be completely clean one. But after cleaning, the same thing, you have to put your blades in first and put the blades inside onto the motor, and make sure it if I undo this one, let me show you the one more thing out here. If you see, it has a cut at the back side of your blades. So can you see these cuts? So you have to match these cuts with the motor alignment. So that's why it's gonna be fit proper into the motor. So after putting the blades, you have to put the locking nut, so anti-clockwise. So this is completely, make sure it's tightened, so whenever you turn it on, it don't get fall off or something. And put your cage back in and lock it again. There we go, and your fan is completely ready. So this is how I'm gonna turn it on. So make sure whenever you do the work, make sure it's turned off, just because you can't touch the blades while they are working, while they are on. So that's why you have to make sure your fan is off, no electricity at all. So this is how you can clean your fan blades and get your good pressure of the air. I can get that, and you can see over here, you can feel the air. I can't make you feel how the air is, but this is how you can feel it. and this is how you can clean your fan blades and get the full pressure of the arrays. If you like the video, subscribe my channel Daily Hacks, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.